So check this out, guys. I'm taking a walk and I'm coming across this bridge, and here's an ant carrying this huge chunk of moss all across the railing of this bridge. Oh, you better get back on top there, buddy. Here he comes. Well, there's another ant. Uh-oh, he's gonna steal this guy's moss. He said, "I'm on a mission from the Queen. I gotta get this moss back to her." I just thought this was incredible because this tiny little ant, I wish he would come back up here on top. I don't want to drop my phone over in the water trying to. Here we go. Look at this guy go. See if we can zoom in on him. Man, oh man. I don't know why he's trying to take it down the side of the rail. Fascinating. Comes this other ant. Get out of his way so he doesn't run up my sleeve. So check out this beautiful creek. I'm standing on a bridge. It goes over this creek. I'm going to spin around and give you a shot of this side. This is called the Little Harpeth. It goes out into several walking tracks. Alright, let's get back over and check out this ant. Oh, incoming. Oh man. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with this. Okay, so I need to go continue my walk and then go back to the library. I got some studying to do. Check in with you guys later tonight. Bye.